Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and it's time to do my plan with me in my personal planner. Actually, it's past time to do my plan with me. It is Sunday, the day that I usually like to post, and I am obviously late getting this up. So I don't know when you're going to see this, but sorry I'm late. Just haven't been in the mood to film, and I don't know, I just wasn't in the mood. But now I am, and I'm kind of excited about it. It's kind of fun. I do like it. I don't know what my deal is. Sometimes you just get weird. So I am planning the week of May 7th through 13th, which is Mother's Day. So I'm using Mother's Love Teenies Weekly Kit from Adorably Amy Designs. This may be a kit that I got last year. I do not remember, but I love it. And it says Mother's Love is like no other. And there are little hedgehogs on it. Isn't that perfect? So cute. So I'm going to put that one on Sunday for sure. So that one gets to go right there. Okay, and then I'm going to put my weekly goals up here. And you know what? I didn't pick out any washi to use with this, but I think I'm going to. I want to use some of the little flowery washi that I used last week. I'm going to pull these out. I might use this one. Or maybe that's the one I used last week. Maybe let's use this yellow one. I don't think I've used this one. Or wait, that's the one I used last week. So I'll go back to my original one, which was this one. Goodness gracious. I'll get it figured out. Yes, I can tell I haven't used this one because they're hard to start. I'm just going to put it right down the middle. So I hope that you guys have had a good week. This is my personal planner that I like to use for YouTube and for my Stampin' Up! Business, which I really haven't been doing a lot of lately. I'm kind of taking a siesta from that. I mean, not officially, but unofficially, just because I haven't really been that into it. Have a little fuzz in there. Okay. So that is cute. Look how funny that is. It's like not a circle anymore. I don't know why that caught my eye. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and put, let's go ahead and put these. So if this one has cute, this one won't, this one will. I'm doing it backwards from how I usually do it. This one won't, this one will. This one won't, this one will. And then in the opposite ones, I'm putting the ones that don't have anything on them. Spreading out the little critters. They are really cute. So it's just like a mama and her little baby, a little fox and a bear, and of course the hedgehog. And then there's birds and kangaroos too. I'm going to put the weekend sticker down. And then I'm going to put the todays and the to-dos. They're all blue this time, and these are blue and pink, so I think I'm just going to use all of the pink ones and put the blue hearts underneath. I think that's how I'll do it. So let's see here. I'm just going to put a to-do on each day. do. And one more. I love these kits because they just work perfectly for this planner. My husband asked me if I wanted to watch a movie with him a little earlier, and I said no because I knew I needed to get this done, and I want to get it done for myself too. I mean, since it starts tomorrow, I really need to get these done. So that's hard to say though when my husband asks me to watch a movie with me. Usually I like to say yes, but you know, I can't always, and that is okay. So planning day, I'm going to put that down here on Thursday, and I'm going to put these these little flowers around. And I'll put the little money down on Friday. That's usually when I get paid. And the 12th is also a bill day for Stampin' Up. All right, so I think that's it. And then last week I had some people ask me what pen I used, and it's just this Pilot Precise V5 RT, and it is a gel pen, and I think it's a 0.7. It's a really small, fine tip, and I love the color, and I love the way it writes, so it's very nice. So I need to write down some things here that I know I need to get done this week. So comments, and I really haven't done much of what I said I was going to do last week, so I'm going to look at that and see what I didn't do because I still haven't done many of them. So the 12 cards of Christmas. I know I'm getting a head start on that, but I haven't even started thinking about it, which is all I really need to do right now. And then my naughty cards, I haven't even started thinking about those either. Tips, I need to get that done. I didn't do anything. Yeah, I really didn't. The May collab invite. I have a lot that I need to get done this week. Well, and the thing is that none of it is like super important. It's just fun stuff that I want to get done. So that's okay. I'm not going to be hard on myself, but I am going to write down here comments. I do like to get back with you guys fairly quickly. I'm not always the best at it, but I try. So if you guys leave me a comment on one of my videos, I like to at least give you a heart, letting you know that I read it, and then pretty often I will leave a comment back. And I need to do tip videos and naughty card ideas, Christmas ideas. This is Mother's Day. I also need to do the May collab invite. And I need to do a live. Maybe I'll do that then. I don't know. I've been bad about doing lives. So there is what I have. And that is my weekly, all ready for Mother's Day week. Better late than never, I suppose. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.